Welcome to another episode of Ask Plexus DX. Today we're diving into a really interesting question. Is it possible for a genetic test to show if I have inherited a tendency for poor glucose control? So, let's break this down. The short answer is yes. Genetic testing can absolutely provide insights into your glucose metabolism and help you understand your risk for conditions like insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. It's pretty fascinating how our genes can influence our health, right? When we talk about glucose control, we're looking at specific genes that play a role in how our bodies process sugar. For instance, variations in genes like TCF7L2 and PPARG have been linked to an increased risk of developing insulin resistance. If you've got a family history of diabetes, you might want to consider getting tested. I once had a client who had no idea that their genetics could be a factor in their health. After taking a genetic test, they discovered some variants that indicated a higher risk for glucose regulation issues. This knowledge empowered them to make lifestyle changes that really improved their health. Now, what can a genetic test actually reveal? Well, it can provide a risk assessment, personalized recommendations, and help you make informed decisions about your health. For example, if your test shows an increased risk for insulin resistance, you might want to think about adopting a low-glycemic diet and increasing your physical activity. These proactive steps can really help mitigate the risks associated with glucose control problems. After you get your test results, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider. They can help you interpret your results and create a tailored health plan. Remember, genetic testing is a tool for insights, not a diagnostic solution. And speaking of lifestyle changes, here are a few actionable steps you can take. 1. Diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Cut back on refined sugars and carbs. 2. Exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week. Activities like walking, cycling, or swimming can really boost your body's insulin response. 3. Monitor your health. If diabetes runs in your family, keep a close eye on your blood sugar levels. 4. Stay informed. Genetic research is always evolving, so keep up with the latest findings in glucose metabolism and genetic testing. Knowledge is power. In conclusion, genetic testing can provide valuable insights into your risk for impaired glucose regulation. Understanding your genetic profile allows you to take preventive actions for better health management. I highly recommend checking out the Precision Health and Wellness tests from Plexus DX. You can find them at plexusdx.com, Amazon, and Walmart.com. These tests can help you gain a deeper understanding of your genetic makeup and its connection to your overall health. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this episode insightful, please like and subscribe. Remember, knowledge is power, and making informed lifestyle changes based on your genetic information can set the stage for improved health. And before I go, here's an important disclaimer. Plexus DX is a personalized health report and laboratory testing service, which enables users to obtain science-based, evidence-backed health and wellness information based on their genome. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment. Catch you next time on Ask Plexus DX.